yourself. Your instincts on that boy were right on the money. And to make our official welcome complete, Mr. Soil.
Yes, Your Highness?
He's our resident thespian. Last year, he played the lead in Picnic.
The children and myself have quickly put together a little presentation in honor of our guests. Dot, Reed, Daisy, Grub. Aren't they adorable? They're cute.
The South Tunnel Elementary School second grade class would like to present you with this. A mural we have drawn of you bugs helping us fight the grasshoppers away.
Oh, look at the beautiful colors of the blood.
We drew one of you dying because our teacher said it would be more dramatic.
I tell you a tale of heroes so bold, who vanquished our grasshopper enemies of old.
Look, the last leaf has fallen. We are the grasshoppers. Where's our food?
Who will come and save us, poor ants?
We are the warriors here to defend you. I die!